Hi. In a series of tutorials, we'll learn how we'll integrate Kinter with the database and develop small applications. So database will use MySQL or SQLite or other database also we can use. Now a very common question we frequently face is uh, whether Kinter can connect to a database, but actually Kinter or in that way any other GUI or any other library, they don't talk directly to the database. So through Python, by using a connector, we usually execute our query or interact with the database. Now these connectors can be MySQL DB or SQLite 3 for SQLite, or many others are there. But what we will prefer is SQLAlchemy. The reason number one is this can work smoothly with a very easily it can connect to MySQL or SQLite. So that is the preferred one, but still you can use any other database connector. And note that this connector can be replaced with other connector where the basic script or our code remains same. That part we will see. So it will be easily we can use different database for our application. Anyway, we will be using SQLAlchemy for all our applications, whatever tutorials we are going to develop.